Hey, this is Matt from BuyJumpRopes.net, and today we're doing a jump rope review from WOD Nation. It's called the Attack Speed Jump Rope. The WOD Speed Attack Jump Rope has a nice design. The handles look very much like the RX. The spin test on it gives it a pretty good spin on it, so that's not bad. A little noisy, so it tells me that there's not exactly high quality bearings in it. This rope comes with two cables. This one's a 1/8 inch cable. I believe it's 11 feet long, and there's an 11-foot cable attached to it that's 3/32 inches, and that's a standard cable for all speed jump ropes. The disappointing part on these cables is that it's coated with PVC, and that wears fast. It kinks easier. The higher quality cables are nylon coated, manufactured in the United States. Much tougher, less chance they're going to kink. So I would give this rope a thumbs up for a recommendation. I think that the handles, even though they are a knockoff for the RX jump rope, feel good in the hands. There's a good spin to them. I think they'll work really well for those who are just starting out doing double unders and speed jumping. We'll give you a demonstration on how these ropes look like when they're being used in a gym. Okay, some double unders.